How is it, guys? How was the day? How was work? How was the 9 to 5? And hope you guys are good. Yeah. Okay. So today's live stream will be very straightforward. I just wanted to update you guys on how the trade has been going on so far. How predictions has been accurate for US 30. Yeah, like I told you guys, I trade gold, GDP, USD, and US 30, which is quite okay for everyone. Okay, so the big update is more like a talking. We just want to discuss on how the markets will be playing out again. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. See that bell button right there? Yeah, just click it. Click the like, click the subscribe button so that you will help me to smash the YouTube algorithm so that more people, and I know you love my content, so that more people will see my content and they will want to subscribe to the channel also. Okay, so without any further ado, without any further delays, let's jump right into the video. So my last live, that was yesterday, I told you guys the way I was seeing the whole market structure of US 30 on the 15-minute time frame. I actually drew it out. So if you could go back to my last video, which I did, I will be pinning it um, to this video. Once I'm done with the live, I will be pinning it there. Okay, so yeah, what I did was just to show you the direction of the market's going through, and it actually, for the most thing, it actually did exactly how we saw it, how I saw it, because I'm actually trading in my own way. I don't know how you guys are trading. So this is my own way of trading GDP, USD, and let's just let's show you. So I told you guys that I was now expecting the price of GDP. Oh, sorry, no, why am I saying GDP? Of US 30. I'm actually fond of GDP. Of US 30 to hit fair value gap this that I drew yesterday. Fair value that I drew yesterday. Yeah, if you saw this, this is it. This was what I did yesterday, and if you can see clearly that price, and I said once price hits our fair value gap, that is where I will be taking another position. I told you guys that that's where we're taking another position from, and throughout the whole day, I didn't even check. I did not even open the chart to check if the price actually did what we said it was going to do. And to my surprise, just checking it now, wow, price did actually follow the way, yeah, the way I speculated it was going to. Now look at this chart here. Look at this here. Exactly what I drew. You can see this. Now, if we go back here, sure. Okay, let's just take this to um, 4 hours for we to understand where that price went to. 4 hours. Now, that was also another block. That was like a support. Sorry, that was a resistance. If you look at it very well, that there was a resistance, and the price just hit there and went back down. You could see the resistance there. The first one, let's draw it. This was the first one, second, and the third, all aligned at the same place, which means I didn't even check that at all. I didn't even need to know this. Yeah, but it's good to check though. It's very good to check. I didn't even notice that, but I just imagined that okay, this price would behave like this way. The price would behave this way, and it's going to behave this way, which it did at the end of the day. Yeah, it did. So let's call it market insights. We're still on, and if you could zoom in a little bit, you'll see what I'm saying. So this is it. This is what we are now left with. Yeah, if I wanted to place a trade, because I actually did, the trade I placed was underneath here. Yeah, it was somewhere here, the right very middle, and my stop loss was below. This was where my stop loss is because of this place that the market sweep. The market came down and sweep this place. This is what I was saying. There's a little box here. That was a good sweep. Down, swept it and continued back up. So my stop loss, yeah, will have been here. This would have been my stop loss. And if I use measuring tool from here, let's place it here, yeah, yeah, up to here because this is the market going to. Let's reduce this stop loss right here. Now do win, sorry, yeah, that's it, so right here. Now the reward to ratio is 3 5 3 to 5, which is quite okay. Ratio 1 to 3, which is very okay. Now my percentage loss is very minimal, but my gain is huge, which I would definitely pay out to. Yeah, my risk to reward is ratio 3 to 7. Risk to reward ratio, that is it. And I will risking 3% of my account to make 7% of my account, which is quite something. Yeah, and yeah, that's just it. My reward ratio is 3.5, so I won't even be missing out on anything. If you look at it well, it's quite here. So that is what I'll be trading, and that is what my trade is already. I'm actually in profit already, so I don't even need to sweat it at all because I told you guys that this is what I was seeing, and it actually did that. Yeah, if you look at it well from here up, I don't want to destroy this, so I just place this here, place this here, place this here, and place this here. Now everything aligned accordingly. So that is everything for today. That is just all the updates I was shared with you guys. That price came down, and I'm actually in the trade. Hope you guys took the trade because I actually called it. Yeah, I called the trade at I called the trade at 48,325. That's what I called the trade. 48,325. Yeah, I didn't call the trade, but I just said this fair value gap will be respected, and you guys should actually know that. Okay, fine. Once that fair value gap is respected, it's a good trade, and Yeah, and it's a beautiful one. So see you guys in the next one. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. And love you guys. Yeah.